Hi guys. Next lock that I will open was gifted to me, or well, lended to me by one of my colleagues. It's a GEGE lock, seems quite old. One thing that you might see is that above the pin, I don't know if the light is good enough, above the pin there is a ball to reduce the wear on the pins, and that is making the lock not really easy to pick. I did manage to pick it once, and it took me a while to learn it. And well, let's see if we can repeat this on camera. So lock is now locked. Let's see. Yep, it's a 5-pinner. I'm not sure if there are serrated pins inside or there are only standard ones. But what I have noticed, what I've learned about this lock is that it needs really heavy tension so that you can get some pins. That's the hook that I managed to pick it with. A standard hook just doesn't cut it for whatever reason. So let's have a look. So we've got a click from number 3. That was number 2, I guess. Oh no, sorry, number 1. Okay, we've got a full set. There is one spool, I'm sure of it, but I don't know about the other pins. And okay, I dropped some pins. Let's see, number 1 definitely I dropped, so I got another full set. I guess number 1 is again, okay. So number 1 is again set. 4. Okay. Okay, we got the deep false set once again, which is on number 3, I guess. Okay, so number 3 is picked. Now number 2. And here we go. Open. So after learning it a little bit and after trying some things here and there and some spraying, some magic spray on the lock, now the feedback is really good and it's manageable to open in quite reasonably fast. So I will also try to get it now, and if not, I will also speed the video if it's not that fast. Sorry guys, I need to take some of my tools. Oh, I'm sure they're most here. On one thing, I'll be right back. So, our magic opener, let's see if... Okay, that's the other side. I don't have the key for it, guys, so sorry about that. Let me just move it a little bit. So, hopefully I will not lock it back, because if I do, then I have to repick it, I guess. So the C-clip needs to go. Now that will be really hard. Let's see if I can manage it. Okay, it's almost out. Cool, it's out. So that's the C-clip. Just move it away. Okay, and now let's see, where is my special tool that will hold the pins on the bottom, if it fits, because this keyway is quite restricted, because the beginning, okay, well, it doesn't work. I'll have some hard time reassembling it, I guess, but let's finish with the building. So we started anyway, so Let's see how I will move it out from here. Don't want to pins to fly everywhere, so well, I guess unfortunately they will be flying everywhere, so well, not that bad. Cool. Okay, I'll dip the pins in a moment. Let's start first with the key pins. So, starting from the back, standard key pin, standard, small one, up. And these are the balls. Okay, so the ball was only on the first one. Okay. Not bad. And we have some... Huh? Okay, strange. 5 pin... Well, there's some anti-drill bits, I guess, here. I need to find out where they were. Okay, so that's the ball. So standard pins on the top. Oh man, this is really dirty. Need some tissue. Okay, and let's move out. Let's see what's on the inside here. So first we take out the springs. Come on, springs, out you go. I have some trouble reassembling it. Flo. I have to keep it for a while. So that's a spool, quite deep one. Quite big one, sorry, not deep, but big. Okay, so this is one of the anti-drill bits, I guess, here as well. Another spool, another spring, sorry. A T-pin. So that was one of the problems why it took me a while to learn. Another spool, I guess. I wonder how old is this thing, because he mentioned that it's quite old. So another spring, guys. And come on, there should be some more pins there. Or? Huh? Where are the pins? Well, I guess these are the pins. Let's have a look what's on the pinning tray. I'll make a picture probably afterwards. So these are, so that's the most interesting one for me. That's a real T-pin. Never seen a T-pin before. This one of the spools. Another T-pin, the spool. Well, I guess then these are, so that's the pin with the ball on top. You can see the oval here, hopefully. Come on, camera, please focus. This goes rather on top of the ball. Okay. Well, then I guess maybe these are not anti-drill pins on the sides, but there's a place for them, but maybe these are the driver pins. Okay guys, that was the GEGE that was lent to me by one of my colleagues, Florian. Firmas Danke. And guys, also thank you for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video as well. Cheers guys.